All right, today I have a Ford F-150 and I'm gonna show you how to fold these seats so you have more cargo space within inside of your Ford F-150. It's a really cool feature to have right here in order for you to have, so you can have more things, more items within inside of the cab itself instead of in the truck bed portion of the vehicle. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful in any way? All right, so I'm in the vehicle, right? And I need to fold up the seats in order to have more space, okay? Cargo space within inside of the cabin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reach down here, and you see this lever right here. I simply pull on this and then lift the seat just like that, and it comes up. Now you have one on that side, so I'm gonna come around and I'm gonna go to the other side of the vehicle, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna open up the seat, and there is a lever on this side as well. And so what I do is I just come over here, pull this, and then raise up on the seat simultaneously, and that is up right there. And I have all of this cargo space in order for me to add items to the Ford F-150. And in order to put the seats back down, you're going to simply come back over here to this famous lever, and you're going to go ahead and pull it down. And then also to come to the other side, you're going to walk around the vehicle, open it up right here, and you're going to go ahead and pull this and put the seat back down just like that. I hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.